Hello everyone. Today I am covering a visualization for DAF engineering and maintenance stuff from Axel's factory department. So the goal of this visualization is to improve the production efficiency and to keep the process running smoothly. So first of all, we're gonna start with is the Axel's production. So in the Axel's production, we are covering the total amount of axles per time window, the OK and non-OK axles per time window, and also the ratio of OK and non-OK per time window, of course. So here you can always filter by days, weeks, months, and we can see here that we have 6 non-OK and 151 OK. If we select this day, for example, we can see the ratio percentage is 3.8 non-OK. So also you can also see the shifts over here, and same thing in this side for Oreo. So in that day, Oreo ratio OK was 100%. So let's check the torque. So the torque, we are covering the amount of torque down per over time, and OK and non-OK torque down per time window as well. So, and also the ratio. So here we have the ratio, and here OK and non-OK and the total amount. So you can still filter here by days, hours, and let's check, for example, for this hour, the OK ratio was 100%. This hour, the spindle was not working, that's why we have no data for it right now. They worked only the morning shift, and this one, it's not even the morning, it's like 4 hours. So next one is torque stability. We are covering the average and standard deviation of the torque, and we also have CPK and CP for the torque, and we can also see it in the this charts over here, and we can see, for example, the average torque is 225 and standard deviation is almost 75, and you can always filter by hours. So next one is going to be a 5 spindle performance. So we have the standard deviation and the average for the torque and the angle. Um, for example, the spindle number 1 has a high standard deviation number, and also for the angle and also for the torque as well, and you can see the average and standard deviation for the angle in this chart for all the 5 spindles. Next one is going to be operating time per time window, of course. So you can see each hour, or you can see per days. This side is for 5 spindle, and this side is um, for Oreo, which we are calculating here as the standard deviation, and also here is the average, and here we are keeping it for example, here we have hours, but this line, this reference line is for the whole day. So in 20 August we had 0.34 seconds as a standard deviation for Oreo. So next one is the lookup sheets. If you are looking for a specific thing, you can always filter by 5 spindle or Oreo. But if you are filtering by Oreo, you cannot select the 5 spindles. And you can also filter by the axle ID, and you can look for a specific thing that you want to see. So thanks for watching and goodbye.